Hey, so if you want to build a complete website from start to finish in Webflow, this is the full walkthrough. We'll go from a blank project all the way to a live website. No coding, just step by step. Let's do it. First, log into your Webflow account and click on New Site. You can start with a blank canvas or a template. I'll go with a blank project. Start by adding the basic structure, sections, containers, and div blocks. Think of this as the skeleton of your site. Add a hero section with a heading, subtext, and a button. This is the first thing users will see, so keep it clean and clear. And now build out the rest, like about section, services, and a contact area. Just duplicate sections and update the content. Next, style everything: fonts, colors, spacing. Keep your design consistent and simple. Switch to tablet and mobile views and adjust your layout. Yeah, this makes sure your site looks good on all devices. Add a navbar at the top and a footer at the bottom. Uh, these help users navigate your site easily. Insert a contact form so users can reach you. Customize the fields and make sure everything works. Before publishing, add your page title, meta description, and image alt text. This helps your site get found online. Preview your site and test everything: links, buttons, forms. Make sure it all works properly. Finally, hit publish and choose your domain. And yeah, your website is now live, and that's it. You've built a complete website from scratch using Webflow. I mean, once you go through it once, it gets way easier. Just keep building and improving. Hey,